Today I'm going to eat the first animal that I got with my bow. Except that it's jackrabbit. So here's the thing about jackrabbit is I've heard that it's really good and I've heard that it's nasty. Personally, I've never had it. We did a lot of jackrabbit hunting when I was young, but I never ate it. So I decided to go out with my bow, get a jackrabbit, and we're going to cook that up and eat it. Actually, right now we're just going to cook up one leg of it with the arrow so that it goes through him, but it hits the back side of the hill that he's on, so it's not a complete pass through. Anyway, he gets up and he starts walking, and well, I'll roll in the footage of my phone footage that I took at this point. Well, I just got my first animal, let's say a little jackrabbit, with my bow and my Easton arrows. Kind of a spot and stalk just outside my house, really, and spotted him under some sagebrush with the binoculars and snuck up on him, took a poke at him at 38 yards. I hit him, and then he got up and I took another shot at him at 38 and just missed him, and then he moved again and was at 36 yards broadside, and I put another arrow in him, so he's got 2 arrows in him. He's just up there. I'm just kind of waiting for him to be done. But I'll go up there and we'll get him. I'm going to gut him out, skin him, take a look at his liver, make sure he's good to eat. And then I'm going to try some jackrabbit. I've never had it. Honestly, I've heard it's good. I've heard it's nasty. But I'll find out. And this is Spade L Ranch. This is beef marinade. So I'll try it on the rabbit. Do a little salt and pepper on there also. And then we'll coat it in this, we'll let it marinate for a while. We'll fry it up, see how this tastes. You want to try that jackrabbit with me? Sure. Oh, you're so tough. You're so tough. You're so tough. You're so tough. You know, I changed my mind. I think we're going to barbecue. Said, this is all just an experiment. I cut them up in little pieces, learning as I go. So these should cook pretty quick. Here's the moment of truth at the same time. Honest truth. 1, 2, 3. Not nearly as tough as I thought it was going to be.
I thought it was kind of chewy.
A little bit chewy, but not nearly as what I thought.
It was good though.
It's really not that bad. I'm quite surprised, actually. Honestly, it's not that bad. What do you think?
I mean, that piece had a little fat in it, but it was good. Tastes kind of like steak.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good. Thumbs up? Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yours is kind of a hesitant thumbs up?
No, I don't know. Is it up or down? Or,
I don't know what it is.
I think it's a thumbs up.
I think it's a thumbs up. Go grab your brother. Is he here? So he can try a piece. Yeah, I'm surprised. This is actually pretty good. For me, just meat in general, a lot of it comes down to preparation. So the honey mustard and barbecue mix, phenomenal. Then I seasoned it, and then generally what I'll do is I'll throw it down on one side, cook it, and then when I flip it, I'll season it one more time, just on the one side. That's generally how I cook meat, but pretty good. Okay, you ready? Try this piece.
I eat that.
Not too bad, huh?
Yeah. As I eat it, I can taste a little bit more gamey, but it's not bad. I would totally eat it.
Not bad, huh?
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Try that piece right there. What do you think?
That's really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Want another one?
Yes, please.
Have another? So I think that recipe is going to work well. So I know that for future use. Then we continue to use that. So I think the jackrabbit, I was kind of really hesitant about it, but we got a thumbs up from all the family members. Thanks for watching, guys. This has kind of been a fun one. We'll see you.